Hi everybody, Eddie the Mouth out here in Buffalo, New York. Buffalo herd. What's up, guys? No deer I recognize, but I mean the little ones I kind of recognize, but hi, what's up, guys? Whoa, look who it is. Where'd you come from? You are stealthy. You are stealthy as F for a big deer. Snuck right up behind me. What's up? Hi. What's up, you? You snuck right up behind me. How you doing? How's it going? Stealthy for a big deer, huh? Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, look at the other ones. They're like, oh no. What's up? What's wrong with you? Hey, I was just looking at them. So, how's the day going out here, huh? Just hanging out? It's getting a little warmer out. Out here in shorts and a t-shirt today. I don't know what the temperature is, but it was kind of hot upstairs. What's up? What's up, girl? What's up? Oh, she's a good girl, huh? She's a good girl. Yeah. Look at these guys. Hey, what's going on? What is going on over there? Well, I guess if you guys like the content, like and subscribe.